Hello, hola, bienvenidos. As you guys can see from the title, today I'm doing an exciting video. You guys, so if you have been following me or are a OG subscriber, you guys know that there are certain brands that I have yet to try myself, and I'm excited because as you guys can see from the title, today I am doing my mystery box unboxing of Oden's Eye. I don't own anything from Oden's Eye. I've never tried Oden's Eye, and I thought this was a perfect opportunity to give this brand a shot. They did a small and a large mystery box. Since I own 0 of them, and on their website they did state if you bought one of each box, they would do their best to not repeat items. So I figured this would be the perfect time to order one of each and see what I get and try out this brand. So if that's something you want to see, stay tuned. But first, if you're new, Alejandra, I go by Alex, eyeshadow enthusiast with the Dash Japan, even though it doesn't seem like it this year, but I promise it is. If you want to continue to see this craziness on your feed, subscribe and join us. And now let's get on with this unboxing. Okay, you guys, can I just tell you that this package came in this? And when I opened this up in front of Mr. Man, this is what came out of him. I've yet to even open these, and he actually asked me if I had a side hustle that he was not aware of. No, I am not doing illegal things. So I figured I'm going to open these up. I have a feeling this is the large box and this is the small box. So we're going to open this one up first. As you guys can tell, I have yet to touch this. So I have my scissors here. I'm actually excited. I've only seen one video of a large unboxing, so I have an idea of what it might be. So I just want to double check. So I took this off. Yeah. So, oh, this is cute. It's so cute. So I'm assuming this is the small box. Let me open up the large box just to see. Okay. So we have both of these, and I feel like this is heavier, so I think this is the large box. So we're going to go ahead and open this one up together. Oh, there's no tape. Oh, it's enclosed in here. Okay. Guys, I'm all new to this. This is so cute with the little imprints of the bunnies. Isn't that adorable? And I love the colors of them. They're really, really cute. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and make a mess, shall we? So when I open it up, this is what we have inside. I have no idea, no clue what I have in here. So let me bring this box down here. Let's see. All right, first thing up here is a lip product, and it is sealed. Oh, it's a red cherry lipstick. It's a velvet lipstick and red cherry. I'm gonna look this up online to see if I even care to have it, and if not, I'm gonna leave it this way and I'll put it in a giveaway. You guys, don't I always tell you this? Every time I either get PR or mystery boxes, I end up with a red lip. I have enough red lips. I don't want any more red lipstick. So I'm gonna put this aside because it does say that the color's red cherry, and unless I really like it and I'm looking through my collection, I don't think I'm gonna keep that. So I'm just gonna put that one aside. All right, I see this next. This is, what are you? All these are sealed. Wow, I did not expect this. Okay. This is Norn's Oden's Eye Veil of Future. What is this? I don't know what this is. Okay. So here's what the packaging looks like. I don't know if you guys can even see that. Oh, it's a highlighter. Ooh. It's like a purple gold. This one's actually pretty. So I'm going to swatch this. Oh, that is beautiful. It's more yellow and it's so soft. Yeah, this is really pretty. I can get behind this. Yep. Really like that. Okay. So far we are going to try a highlighter, and I'm going to do a video of like all of these on my face. I didn't know what I was getting, so I didn't want to do that on this one. Ooh, this is and I'm so sorry if I don't say these right, but I'm trying to remember Paulina when she says the word, so I'm going to try. This is the Alva 2 Mini Ocean Palette. I don't remember what this one looks like, but it's blue, so I'm assuming it has blue inside of it. Ooh, almost dropped it. Throw everything on the floor. So this is what the packaging of this one looks like. Ooh. Oh, it is the blue one. And this is actually pretty. It's interesting how I always tend to not wear blue eyeshadow, even though you guys say that I look great in blue eyeshadow. And here I am getting blue eyeshadows. But this is pretty. I can get past it. Like, I can get behind this one too. All right. All right. Remember in my lucky bag this year, I got a blue quad. I'm always getting blue. That must be something. I don't know what it is. This is the mini ocean. This is pretty. The packaging is really nice. Oh, and an eyeshadow palette. So you get 4 things in this one. This is the Alva. I hope I'm saying that right. Eyeshadow palette. So let's see what this one is. And this is pink. Oh, how cute. So the outside is like the inside. So this is what this one looks like right here. Is the pink one, guys. Ooh. Oh, and this feels so different. It's like raised. Can you hear that? It's not smooth. Oh, it feels like a canvas. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. This one is more of like your neutral with a row of bright shades. Yes, this actually matches me today. I had to do the pink lip today, guys. So this is really, really pretty. Oh, you guys, I didn't even swatch the other one. Hold on. Let's swatch this one since I forgot to swatch the blue palette. Sorry, I'm a little bit rusty, you guys. I don't do hauls as often anymore. So let's do, ooh. Oh, these are nice. Oh, the mattes feel nice too. Okay, let's do these 3 shades. Isn't that pretty? Okay. Wow. All right, they're decent. That's just a light swatch of them. I didn't dig in there, but that's pretty. Okay. Alrighty, you guys. So for the small box, you get 4 things, all 4 different things. And out of the 4 things, I'm going to keep these 3 and then obviously the lipstick. If I can put up a picture of the lipstick, I will, so you guys can see that lipstick, since I'm most likely not going to keep it and keep it in a giveaway because, guys, I have enough red lipsticks. I don't need any more. All right, moving on to the large one. We're going to open this puppy up. Throw that on the floor. And dun, 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 dun. This is what this one looks like inside. Let's, ooh. Bring this to the floor.
To the window, to the wall.
Woo! This is packed. Okay, so on top I see another highlighter, I am assuming. And I'm gonna guess this is a pinky version. So we are going to open this up. And this one is, oh my goodness, I love this. I'm so happy they chose highlighters that I can actually wear. This one is the, oh goodness, I didn't even say it. Web of Destiny. So I believe this is like the pinkier version. Ooh, yay. Oh my goodness, I like this one too. My hand is glittery, you guys, from the last swatches. So don't mind my hand, but oh my goodness, I love this. I love this. I am so happy because I could have gotten a blue, green, you know what I mean? Like, this is a beautiful highlighter. Yes, I'm excited. Okay, next up is a matte lip stain. Ooh, and the color, you guys. It's in Ripe Papaya. It's this orangey shade. Yes! Ah, finally. Finally. I don't get a red lip. All right, come on. Okay, let's see this. Oh my goodness, yes! Oh my gosh, yay! This just, oh, this is my color. This, look at that horrible swatch, but this is my jam. This is my jam right there, yep. Oh my goodness, they read my mind. I love a burnt orange lip color. This is gonna be my favorite lip color of the year. That's basically a dupe for the Too Faced Gingerbread Man. Oh my goodness, yes. Love that. Oh, yay. Oh my gosh. That just made me so excited that I didn't get a red. I have 2, I think it's 2 more lip products here. All right, this one is in Fig Jam, a velvet lip in Fig Jam. Okay, it's not a red. So let's see. Ooh, so here's the packaging of this. Look how pretty. Okay, it's not a red. It's, I'm assuming. Okay, it's a deep color. I can go by this one. All right. Fig jam. It's a really nice formula too. Okay. The other one is a Kiss a Fairy lipstick in Tulipa Kiss. Tulipa Kiss. A cream lipstick. Oh, so I got 3 different versions. I got the liquid lip, a velvet lip, and a cream lipstick. Nice. I get to try all of them if I choose to keep the red. This one feels a little bit lighter than the last one, which was a velvet lip. This one feels like not as sturdy. Okay. This one looks like more of a deeper brown. So let's swatch this one. Yeah, this is like a deep brown. I like that. All right. And it's shiny, as you guys can see right there. Okay. See, you guys, I get lip products through PR or through these kind of unboxings like this. I don't buy them on my own. We have those. Okay, next up is another one. Ooh, this is the, is this the green one? Or is this the purple? I'm assuming it's the purple one because it is purple packaging. Duh. I think I'm saying that. I'm probably making a fool of myself trying to say these. Okay, so let's see. Oh, it doesn't want to come out. It really doesn't want to come out. There we go. So here's what this one looks like. It's kind of like the blue one, just this one's... Oh, there I am. Oh, it is! It is the green one! Oh my gosh, you guys! I wanted this one so bad. Yes! Yes, 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 yes. Oh my gosh, you guys. I am ecstatic. I wanted this one so bad. Oh my gosh. Yay. Okay. Yes. This just made my day. Made my day. I cannot wait to play with these, you guys. Ooh, and what's this? All right, up next. It is an eyeshadow palette, the Alva 2. So what was the first one that I got? Oh, it's the first. Okay, so this is the Alva 2, and the first one was the original. And this one looks pretty too. This is all with yellow packaging, yellow and pink. Like, I wore the perfect shirt for this unboxing. And this one, again, it feels different. Oh my gosh, you guys. I got the colorful one. Come on. I want to gouge it. Ooh, yay. Oh, I am so thrilled. I am so thrilled. I got both so now I could try the colorful and the neutral. All right, so let's swatch this aqua. Let's do, oh, these have pressed glitters in them. Oh my gosh, this one I feel like is softer and more pigmented than the first palette. Let's swatch here. Oh my gosh, that aqua. Yeah, this one's a lot more softer, I feel. Wow, this was beautiful. Look at that. This one, and this one. Wow. I am ecstatic, you guys. What? Okay, so worth getting these two. So worth it. And I still got one more thing to show you guys. Wow. Yay. This was so worth it for me, especially since I don't own anything. This just made it so much easier for me to try this brand and multiple things. Okay, and the last thing out of this was another eyeshadow palette. What? They must know who I am because I didn't get anything else but eyeshadows. Open up, open up, open up. Oh my gosh, you guys, like this is so exciting. And this one seems like it's the Norns. I don't remember many of their collections because they have so many that I just don't remember. So I don't know what I got, what I didn't get. But here it is. I'm assuming it's the cool tone purple bluish color story maybe. Okay, let's see. Oh, yeah. It's the deeper version, you guys. Wow. I have so many different color stories to play with. Wow. Okay, so let's swatch this green one because it's just, oh my goodness, it feels amazing. This pink chameleon shade. Oh, look at this. Oh, I love this color story I just did. Wow. What? You guys, look at this. Wow. I am so impressed. I am so impressed. I am so happy. Very, very happy. The only unboxing I saw was a large unboxing, like I mentioned, and they ended up getting a face palette. So I was prepping myself for at least an eyeshadow palette and for a face palette, but not 3 large eyeshadow palettes. I'm so excited. So let's recap real quick. So in the 2, the small and the large put together, I ended up getting 3 of the large eyeshadow palettes, which this is gonna last me a long time to test. You guys know that. I got 2 of the small, like 5-pan with the split pan in the center, which are beautiful. And I got the one that I originally wanted. I wish Kaleidos would do something like this. I think it would be a lot of fun for a mystery box with them. 2 highlighters that I know I'm gonna get use out of. A goldy shade and a pinky gold. Oh, perfect. These would have been the ones I would have chosen if I would have purchased anything. And I ended up getting a liquid lip, which is a matte lip stain. Oh, love the color of that one. A velvet lipstick in red cherry, which I told you I'm going to look at the pictures first before I open it up. And then I got a cream lipstick. That's beautiful. And this one is the velvet lipstick as well. These are both beautiful. I'm not sure if this is the same formula, so I might not even. But I ended up trying 3 of their different lip products in the boxes. So overall, you guys, I believe, what was it? I paid $150, I believe, for all this, and with free shipping. I think I got my money's worth, honestly, because I think I would have spent a lot more buying these individually in collections with shipping, because this is overseas as well, you guys. It came quick. It came nicely packaged. I mean, it was real good. The only thing I couldn't see updates. It like literally was just like, oh, it showed up in New York. And the next thing I know, it's at my doorstep, which I don't mind as long as it's not lost, because that's happened before. But I am so excited. So excited to play around with this. So, you know, in the month of May, I will be playing around with this stuff, and you guys will hear me, my thoughts on it, what I think about them, maybe to get ready with me. Which one do you guys want to see? You guys, I am so excited. This was one of the best decisions I've made when it comes to a mystery box. I have not been this excited and this happy for a mystery box like this in a long time. Long time. If more brands would do this, I'd be on board 100%, because I love it, especially brands that I haven't tried like this. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will list everything I got down in the description box just in case I couldn't say it right or didn't understand me, or if I said the name incorrectly and it was a different name. I don't know, you guys. I'm new to Oden's Eye, so I did the best I could. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll put more videos on the screen for your enjoyment. Until then, adios.